Terrain for Print makes 3D printable terrain for miniature war games and role-playing games. This project is about two modular buildings, the Viking Village and the sci-fi armored barracks. Here you see the Viking Village. Here you see the base goals and the first stretch goals. This is my sci-fi armored barracks. Here are the base goals and the first stretch goals. Hello, my name is Marcus Cruz and this is my Kickstarter. These are my models. You can find them on thingiverse.com for free. After you watch this video, go check them out. Then come back here and make a pledge, because I will make more models with your support. Thanks for watching. Good luck with the printing, painting and playing.